Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Not saying you'll ever draw anything like this, but it might give you a few insights on how to make these angles and how to um, put it all over there evenly. So we're going to start with a 6-inch rectangle. And we're going to make it, with a ratio and lot, we're going to make it 1.5. Now I'm going to make another rectangle. I'm going to Control D, and I'm going to make it just 2.5 inches tall. Now I'm going to take this, and if you'll get the 4-sided cross, put it right there. And watch one askew. There's really no numbers, okay? But I need this other side to be equal. So Control D and make a duplicate and mirror it the other way, and then just take that 4-sided arrow and put it right to it. I'd really probably rather have another little bit of twist to it, but that's fine. These are rectangles, so I can just fill them in. I'm gonna put blue over here, put light blue in the middle, and put orange on the side. Now, if you remember, we're gonna, well, first of all, we're gonna take away that, and I'm gonna Control D. We're 11 inches long. Set your nudge factor on 11 inches. Control D and move it over. I didn't group it. Control G, Control D. And you could put as many of them as you wanted. Now here's kind of another key or help. Group it together. Yeah, I really need more of an angle, but this will work. With that selected, hold down your Shift key and hit your rectangle tool. That rectangle is 2.236. 2.236. That's all you need to remember. 11 and 2.316. We're going to take this and we're going to change our nudge to 5.5. That way it'll nudge. I'm going to make a duplicate and nudge it over. Now I'm going to change my nudge to 2.236. 2.236. And I'm going to nudge it up. And it's perfectly on there. Now that's all you have to do. Let's get this out of the way. And we've already got our nudge in there. I don't like these colors whatsoever, but Control G to group, Control D to duplicate, and just nudge up twice. And then once you do that, Control D, Control D, Control D, Control D. You could do a lot with shadowing and everything. Let's put a black box around it. But see, everything's touching perfectly. So let's put a black box and it should make it kind of stand off out a little bit. And you could take some of the ends off. Looks pretty good with the dark blue on the ends. I like my first one better. But anyway, so when you're nudging, just, put a rectangle on something that you can't measure. You can't measure from there to there. And think about the nudge. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.